Yo, what's up everyone, it's Noah, and let's be real, sometimes getting and staying fit can feel like a grind. But what if I told you your next personal trainer could be an AI, or that your mirror could correct your squat form in real time? The future of fitness is here, and it's powered by AI and tech. We're talking personalized workout plans that adapt to your body and goals, smart home gyms that analyze your every move, and even VR fitness experiences that make you forget you're working out. Stick around because we're testing the most game-changing tools you need to try to level up your fitness game. Alright, let's talk AI personal trainers. I know what you're thinking, is this another one of those gimmicky fitness fads? Trust me, I had my doubts too. But then I actually started using these AI-powered apps, and let me tell you, they're on another level. Gone are the days of generic workout plans that don't take your individual needs into account. We're talking about apps like Future and even AI like ChatGPT that can analyze your fitness goals, track your progress, and even factor in things like your sleep and recovery data to create a truly personalized workout routine. I decided to go all in and tested out an AI coach for a full 30 days. I'm talking about letting the AI dictate my workouts, my rest days, even my warm-up routines, and honestly I was blown away. The AI was able to pinpoint my weaknesses, push me just the right amount, and even adjust my workouts on the fly based on how my body was feeling that day. It's like having a personal trainer with you 24/7, except without the hefty price tag. Plus, the AI was constantly learning and adapting to my progress, so my workouts never got stale or repetitive. Now, I'm not saying that AI trainers are going to replace human trainers entirely. There's still something to be said for that human connection and expertise. But for those of us who are short on time, money, or just want a more personalized approach to fitness, AI trainers are a total game changer. Next up, we're diving into the world of smart home gyms. And no, I'm not just talking about a Peloton bike in your living room. I'm talking about full-on, AI-powered home gym setups that can rival any commercial gym. Imagine this. You're doing a set of squats, and a mirror in front of you is analyzing your every move, giving you real-time feedback on your form. That's the power of AI mirrors like the ones from Tonal and Tempo. These mirrors use motion sensors and AI to track your movements, identify any form issues, and even provide personalized coaching tips. And it's not just mirrors. We've got smart weight racks, resistance training systems, and even interactive workout mats that use AI to track your reps, sets, and even your heart rate. The beauty of these smart home gyms is that they take all the guesswork out of working out. You don't need to worry about whether you're doing an exercise correctly or if you're pushing yourself hard enough. The AI does all the heavy lifting for you, literally. Plus, let's be real. Having a home gym eliminates all those excuses for skipping a workout. No more driving to the gym, dealing with crowds, or waiting for equipment. Alright, let's talk about the future of fitness, virtual reality. Now I know what you're thinking. VR for fitness? Is that really a thing? Trust me, it's not just for gamers anymore. VR fitness is all about transforming your workouts from a chore into an immersive, engaging experience. Imagine strapping on a MetaQuest headset and suddenly you're boxing in a virtual ring, climbing a mountain, or even dancing with a virtual instructor. And the best part? VR workouts are actually incredibly effective. You're moving your body, burning calories, and getting your heart rate up without even realizing you're working out. I've been testing out a bunch of different VR fitness apps, and I'm seriously impressed by how far the technology has come. The graphics are realistic, the workouts are challenging, and the overall experience is just plain fun. Plus, VR fitness is a great option for people of all fitness levels. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, there's a VR workout out there for you. We all know about fitness trackers, right? Your Apple Watch, your Fitbits, they count your steps, track your sleep, maybe even tell you your heart rate. But hold on tight because wearables are about to get a whole lot more interesting. We're talking next-gen wearables that go way beyond basic fitness tracking. Think continuous glucose monitors or CGMs that track your blood sugar levels in real time and give you personalized insights into how your diet affects your body. Imagine knowing exactly how that donut spikes your blood sugar. No more guessing games. And it doesn't stop there. We've got wearables that can track your muscle oxygen levels, monitor your stress hormones, even predict when you're getting sick. It's like having a personal health coach strapped to your wrist 24/7. Now I know what you're thinking, is all this data actually useful? And the answer is, it depends. For some people, all this data can be overwhelming, but for others, it can be incredibly empowering. Okay, we've talked about all the amazing ways that AI and tech are revolutionizing fitness. But let's get real for a second. There's always a flip side. One of the biggest concerns with all this fitness tech is privacy. We're generating a ton of personal data, everything from our weight and body fat percentage to our sleep patterns and even our DNA. And it's not always clear who has access to that data and how it's being used. Another concern is data overload. With so much data at our fingertips, it's easy to get caught up in the numbers and lose sight of the bigger picture. Are we becoming slaves to the algorithm, constantly chasing metrics instead of listening to our bodies? And then there's the question of human connection. As much as I love my AI personal trainer, there's no denying that it can't replace the human element of working out with a group, or having a trainer who can offer personalized guidance and support. So, what's the verdict? Is all this fitness tech a good thing or a bad thing? Honestly, I think it's a bit of both. It's all about finding the right balance. So, there you have it. The future of fitness is here, and it's powered by AI and tech. From AI personal trainers and smart home gyms to VR workouts and next-gen wearables, there are more ways than ever to level up your fitness game. Which of these tech tools are you excited to try? Drop a comment below. And if you want a deep dive on AI meal planning, smash that like button. I'll make it next. Don't forget to subscribe for more future-proof health hacks. If you don't like boring workouts but still want results, then tap into the Ask Fit Tech channel. Whether you're tracking your workouts, exploring the latest fitness gadgets, or just need a motivational boost, Ask Fit Tech has you covered. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Instagram for daily tips, tricks, and tech reviews that'll take your fitness journey to the next level. Join the Ask Fit Tech revolution now. Hit that subscribe button and follow us everywhere.